In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sum function in Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. This is the quickest way to reach all your Google tools in one place. Look to the top right corner for the grid of small squares, often called the Google Apps icon. Click it to open the app launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list or select More to reveal additional apps. You'll land on the Google Sheets home, where your spreadsheets are listed. Click the spreadsheet you want to work on. This takes you into the document so you can start calculating. Once it opens, click the cell where you want your total to appear. Choosing a cell at the end of a column or next to a row of numbers keeps your sheet tidy and easier to read later. Now let's enter the formula. Type an equal sign, then the word sum, followed by an opening parenthesis. At this point, you can either type a range, like A2, A10, or click and drag to highlight the cells you want to add. Using a range with a colon is the most common approach because it captures everything between the first and last cell in one go. If you need to add more than one separate range, you can list them inside the parentheses, separated by a comma or, in some regions, a semicolon. For example, SUM A2 A10 CU10 or SUM A2 A10 CU10, depending on your locale settings. When you're finished, type a closing parenthesis and press enter. You should immediately see the total appear in the cell you selected. The best part is that this total will update automatically anytime numbers in the reference cells change, so you don't need to retype the formula. If the result doesn't look right, double check that your range points to the correct cells and that those cells contain numbers, not text. If you see a formula error, it often means the separator character isn't what your spreadsheet expects, so try switching between a comma and a semicolon, or make sure your parentheses and range colon are in the right place. That's all there is to it. You went from opening Google to launching Sheets, opening your spreadsheet, selecting the cell for the result, and entering the SUM formula to add up your numbers accurately and instantly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using SUM to speed up your work in Google Sheets.